Introducing mobile tools for Quickbase. With just one mobile app, you get many plugins that you can configure with your existing Quickbase setup. Improve daily operations and get things done even faster. The mobile tools leverages powerful Quickbase API to connect with your database to help you get the most out of Quickbase. If you use Quickbase, then it's a must-have app for you. You can extend your Quickbase in a variety of ways. You can import your Quickbase calendar events, keep your phone's address book in sync with your Quickbase table, upload files from your phone or tablet, edit multiple records at once with Grid Edit plugin, get a real-time notification for any change in your Quickbase record, electronically sign Quickbase record and store the captured signature image in a file attachment field, and much more. There is something for everybody in the team. Moreover, ArkOne's developers are continuously working to add more plugins to the app. You can set up all the plugins using our easy-to-use DIY setup wizard. With the plugin configuration wizard, you can easily configure any plugin multiple times with multiple Quickbase apps and tables. All the plugins require your Quickbase User Token to connect with your data. Your user token is encrypted and stored locally only on your device, and you can save multiple tokens that connects with multiple apps even on different Quickbase realms. Once you have saved your user token, you are ready to configure your plugin. The configurator is a DIY setup that will help you select your app, table and fields by pre-populating the drop-down fields with options. Just select the relevant fields, give the configuration a name, and your plugin is ready for use.
Download today to experience the app yourself. Watch the plugin demo playlist to view how individual apps work. We're thrilled to hear from you about your experience on using the app. Please feel free to contact us for reviews, feedbacks and inquiries.